guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have exciting drugstore goodies to share with you, specifically 6 new blushes from Milani. These shades are majority shades that exist in their baked blush formula, but now they're in liquid formula, and these are the Cheek Kiss liquid blushes. They're gonna have a soft luminous finish, and you're gonna see I'm gonna do some arm swatches and then I'm gonna do some cheek swatches, and you're gonna see that these have a pretty good dry down time. So I love all 6 of these shades. They have the little puffer style applicator and they do retail for $12.99 on the Ulta website. That is where I picked them up. I'm pretty sure they have to be on the Milani website, so if they are, I will have them linked there as well. So we're going to have a blush swatch party today in my stash. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, come on and be part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Milani, if you're a fan of blush, 2024 is definitely the year of the blush. Please give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I'll be wearing today, talking about. I practically have a full face of Milani makeup on. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started with arm swatches, and we'll move into cheek swatches, and then I will wrap up today's video. If you guys want to see these new Milani Cheek Kiss blushes in action, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start swatching these 6 shades of the new Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush Glow. Once again, these are going to have a luminous finish and they are buildable. So let's start with this one right here. This is 130 Dolce Pink, and you're going to see again that a lot of these shades are also shades that currently exist in their baked blush formula, which is one of my favorite blushes at the drugstore. Brand new little puffer on here. Let's give it a good shake real quick. Sister just jumped up on the table. Don't know if she'll make an appearance, but let's see. I don't think we need to. It doesn't have like a twist or anything, so there we go. Oh, you see her? See, sister? Oh, that's pretty. And this is one of my favorite shades too in the baked blush formula. Again, here we go, 130 Dolce Pink. That is beautiful. Now what I want to do before it dries, I want to just with my finger kind of spread it out a little bit. Just like that. There you can see what it looks like. Spread out. Perfect. Next up we have 140 Rosalia. I don't think I have this one in the baked blush. There it is, just a stripe. Very pretty, rich berry shade. There we go. And you can see they are different. Dolce Pink, Rosalia, deeper tone, lighter toned. So far, so good. Next up is 150 Cafe. There's what it looks like before I blend it out. So this is a nice, like kind of like a bronzy shade, bronzy peachy shade. That's really pretty, more natural looking. These do have a little bit, and I guess it's the glow property, but a little bit of shimmer in them, kind of like the baked blush has. Excuse that, that is sister again. But yeah, it's not glitter, it's just like a soft shimmer. Next up is 120 Pink Cava. Here's what it looks like. I got too much on here. I'm going to take some off on my makeup wipe. But let me start blending. Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. And I keep it in mind, I did get too much. I squeezed out too much on this one. Wow. These feel dried down already. Obviously that one still feels wet, but those are some really pretty shades. Next, one of my favorites. This is a cult classic in the Bake Formula 110 Luminoso. There you can see Luminoso, and let's spread it out. Imagine these layered, baked on top, this one on the bottom. Not that I think you would need to, but just for that added stain power. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like the perfect peach shade. Now, last but not least, 160 Canela. That's what it looks like. Let me blend it out. Again, like a warmed up peach shade on this one. Again, buildable as well. I didn't squeeze out too much. This is the one I squeezed out the most of. But here they are, guys. The new Milani Cheek Kiss Luminous Blushes. They are little sisters to the baked blushes in that they are the same shades. I love them. I think they are very, very much the same shades, especially Dolce Pink down here, Luminoso over here. I don't know that I have some of these others in the baked formula. I have other shades, but oh yeah, these are really pretty, and they seem to be drying down pretty quick. Okay guys, so those were all 6 of the new Milani liquid blushes cheek swatched. I ended up just adding this shade that I had over here, 160, which was Canela. I added it over here to this side, and then I added a little bit of this Milani liquid highlighter. This is the Conceal and Perfect in shade 01 Lunar. So I'm loving the glowy cheeks. I think these look really pretty, really fun. A nice, affordable alternative to the Charlotte Tilbury blushes, the Tarte blushes, and just everything at Sephora and Ulta in the high-end section. These at $12.99, they have a very pretty glow to them, and majority are existing shades in their baked powder formula, which I love. I think my favorite blush today, I gotta give it to Dolce Pink. This is also one of my favorites in the baked formula, this one and Luminoso, but I liked the shade of this one just a little bit more today than I did Luminoso. But fan favorites, I already know, I think all of you are gonna really enjoy if you pick up one or two of them. I think you'll really enjoy them. You did see me build them up, and there is a pretty fast dry down time, so work fast, work in small sections, and I think you're gonna love the end result. I will give you guys an update in a pinned comment as to the wear time, because I'm gonna be wearing these all day. I have another video to film, but for right now, first impressions, 2 thumbs up for these new Milani blushes. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.